This is my Colourpop order. I did order once around Christmas time. I ordered Alex some stuff, and some of the stuff that I bought her, I ended up like, I think I want that for myself. So I was like, I think I should do another haul with Colourpop. And also they were doing this thing with all their single shadows where it was fill your own palette for half off. So it was, I can't remember how many shadows, we'll find out. Like 20 shadows for half off, anyway, whatever. I love their pressed shadows. That's actually, no, not everything that's on my eye. A lot of what's on my eye though is from Colourpop. I got a couple of the Jelly Much shadows. This one is in the shade Sweet Dreams. Yeah, they have these little stoppers in them, which is because, whoa, this one is like harder than I thought. I feel like they're supposed to be softer than this. Okay, this is, what did I say? Sweet Dreams. It's kind of lighter than I thought it would be. It's definitely like a pinky iridescence. I don't know if that's coming across. Really, really cute packaging though on this one. You know, I watched enough Tarababyz hauls to know like how you should swatch things. Like she does it so perfectly, but for some reason I can never manage to swatch things properly for you guys. And I bought this Jelly Much shadow. This is in the shade Hallucigenius, and this is basically the reason for this entire haul pretty much, because I bought this for Alex, and it just looked so pretty in the packaging. I was like, and of course I looked at swatches online. I was like, I need that. So this one is like purpley. Ooh. There is Hallucigenius. That is so nice. It's like this purpley lilac-y blue. I also wanted to purchase one of these, and this is so different than what I thought it was. I kept seeing people use these up close in tutorials. This is one of the Glitterly Obsessed. This is like a gel pot of glitter. It's so weird. This is called Avenue of the Stars. Again, with a little thing to keep it from coming out. Look at that. This is so crazy. Just watch this. See that? That's just like pure glitter in a sticky base. It's like so bizarre. I swatched this as soon as I got it. Like the day this package came, I swatched it. I was like, I need to know what that is, and I still can't really figure out what it is. Like obviously you would use it as a topper. You could probably like put it on really heavily, but I have a feeling they would maybe flake off if you went too heavy with it. Not really sure, but it's super weird and cool. They were also having, I think I was buying it one free at the time on these Super Shock shadows. It probably was, because to be honest, I wouldn't have bought them otherwise, I don't think, because it's been a while since I even tried these, like this formula. I'm not a fan. So I was hoping to be a fan again, or at all. This is in the shade Birthday Wish, and I guess this was for their 4th birthday because there was a 4 on it and candles. So anyway, I was like, well, it's buy one get one free. Let me just try it. I'm more into putting on eyeshadow lately with my fingers anyway. So that always helps with Colourpop, I think. I don't know. It feels kind of wet, and it also looks like really sheer. Like it's kind of like see-through. I have to say, I do love the purple packaging. This one is called Roy G. Biv. I'm pretty sure I've heard about this one. I'm pretty sure it's pretty popular. Ooh, it's got a yellow pop of color there. Oh, that looks nice. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. That is actually gorgeous. Yeah, I'm impressed with that. That reminds me of the Frosé from Tarte, the one I just bought. It's kind of like a pink with a gold shift to it. The next two are in the white packaging, which I think is their standard. This one is called I Like You. I hope I like you. Maybe I don't like you. I don't know. It's like a tangerine color. That it would be good for summertime. And then this one is Special Delivery. I have a feeling, well, first of all, this looks a lot like what's on my eyes right now. But I have a feeling I have a Sephora shadow that is very similar to this. This also reminds me kind of the Natasha Denona in my palette. but it's not as intense and it's a little bit sheer again. Yeah, I'm a little bit let down by most of these, to be honest. I don't know. I have a bias though. Like, you know how much I love Colourpop press shadows and lip products, but I've never liked these, but I will try them all and we'll see what I think. I have 4 lip products and then we will talk about all the press shadows I got. So I got Belle. This was, I want to say, sold out at the time I got Jasmine and Ariel, because I probably would have got this at the same time. I have a feeling that it was sold out and that's why. Love the packaging. These are so heavy, by the way. Yeah, definitely. I would have bought this if it was in stock. Ooh, yes. That's Belle. I'm so glad to have this. I really love that they did that Disney collab. It's just so sweet. This is an ultra blotted lip in Soft Spot. I actually really like these. So these are liquid lipsticks, but they're meant to look like you've been wearing your lipstick for a long time and it's kind of come off your lips. So this is in the shade, like I said, Soft Spot. So they go on a little bit like a gel, almost like a gloss, but then they kind of just stain, which is really kind of a weird thing, but they look really pretty on. So I'm glad I got another one of those. I have Soda Pop already, which I really like. I have Bit of Sunny, which is a red that's really pretty. This is a Lippy Sticks in With the Band. I totally forgot about this, but if you know why I'm laughing, it's because literally when I started dating my husband, he would gig 5 days a week and I was at all of his shows and I was always like, no, I'm with the band. I'm his girlfriend, I'm with the band. Like, and it's such a stereotype, but it's so funny now because now we've been together like 18 years or whatever. There it is, With the Band. It's also my shade to, like, look, it's almost like exactly what I'm wearing right now, only matte. That's really cute. I just love the name of that. That's like the only reason I bought it. And then this, did I buy this or did it just come for free? Because it's in a package. Like, oh, sorry, Relate. Well, look at that customer service. They relate and they gave me a freebie. Meanwhile, others who we've already mentioned don't even send you crap and then they like make you miss out on it. Let's see, this is called Autocorrect. Is this an ultra matte? It is. I don't know how I feel about that. I hated these when they first came out. But we will, I mean, it's free, so I'm not gonna complain. It's a possibility. Look at that, it's definitely a possibility. So here's the palette that they included. So this didn't cost extra at all. It was like, buy a certain amount and you get this for free. It's super cute. I actually really like that a lot. I guess we'll just go. Okay, I owe you? Oh, I owe you, like, hey, I owe you one? I honestly don't remember why I bought what I bought or what it is or anything. This is a matte. There's now glitter all over my hands. We just have to go with it. There's nothing can be done about it. That is really pretty. That's gonna be a really good crease color. This one is, there'll probably be a lot of jump cuts here, you guys, just because I have to open every single one of these. Crackle, that makes me think of the Lego movie, which I am pumped about the new Lego movie. Intense orangey copper shade. This one is Cloud 9. If I think of Cloud 9, I think of like iridescent or purple, but this is like a deep matte brown, which is kind of random. Those 3 colors together would be a gorgeous eye look. For the fall especially, could you imagine? Okay, this one is Heavenly, which goes along with Cloud 9. This looks beautiful. It's super thick though. Oh my goodness. Look at that. What is that? Heavenly? Wow. That is gorgeous. Here's another warm matte Martini. Oh no, this isn't a matte. Oh wait, this is weird. It's like a matte, but it has like some sparkle in it, but it's not showing up in the swatch. That's really nice. Issues. This looks like a peach smoothie, really. I'm just gonna put it at the top. Yeah, that definitely is like peach smoothie for sure. Look at that. That could be a palette That looks like a Physicians Formula palette I owned at one point in time. Here's something a little different. This is Carrot Cake, but carrot like a diamond, like carrot. And of course, ooh, it's like a yellow gold. Right there. This one I thought about ordering and then I kind of went back and forth on it, but in the end I was like, ah, who cares? Like, you're ordering so many, just get it. This is Solstice with the Mostess. That is the stupidest name I've heard in a long time, but let's just go with Solstice because that's pretty. What? Solstice with the Mostess, really? That's really pretty. I don't think I'm going to use it very often, but it is pretty for sure. Actually, is this one of the shades that's in the Ooh La La palette? Because I feel like it looks a lot like a shade I used in that tutorial I did. This one is Paradiso. So purple. I'm pretty sure I ordered all the new purples that they released. That was the thing. They have just released a bunch of new shades, of course. That's pretty, but it's a little bit, like it skipped a little bit and it's a little bit chunky in a weird way. So we'll see how that actually ends up looking on the eye. This one is called Over It. That's what that looks like. This looks like it would be a beautiful lid shade for like work or every day. Yeah, it is. That's really pretty for like just everyday wear. This one is Try Me. I almost thought it said Take Me, which if a purple eyeshadow, that would be the one to take me. Yeah, this is a new matte purple. So 143, which is my favorite matte purple of all time, is a lot warmer than this, and this looks a lot cooler. Ooh, that looks very promising. Yeah, very pretty. Then this one is Mr. Sandman. Whoa. This looks really nice. Oh my gosh. I almost just want to stare at that. Oh, yes. Yeah, that has definitely a duochrome component to it. That looks like Glass Bull's older, meaner brother. This one is Misty. Ooh, no, that looks more like a burgundy orangey shade. Really nice. This one looks like a silver. I mean, it doesn't look like a silver. It actually is a silver. Like, it's a silver, basically, like, on a whimsy. To be honest, I probably don't need this, but I'm glad I have it. Wow. That was barely touching my hand down into that. Wow. That's beautiful. This one is Night Show. It actually looks really like, probably don't need both of those. They are slightly different, but probably don't need both of them. Here's like a light lilac-y purple. This is called Beam Me Up. More like a silvery lilac-y purple. Do you see how nicely these swatch? Like, almost all of them just like pure color in a swatch. It's beautiful. Howlin'. I don't think I have this one yet. No, I don't. This is a lighter lavender matte. Yeah, I don't think I have anything like this in my collection. It's quite light, but it shows up, I think, like you would want it to anyway. This one is like a deep forest green, Conjure Up. Wow. Nice. Here's another forest green, but this looks like a shimmer. It's called Super Zoom. Honestly, I don't really use these kind of shades very often, so I shouldn't be buying them. I think I have a Makeup Geek shadow very much like that, but still, about it. Baseline is like a blue. I know these swatches are getting wonky on the bottom. Yeah, it's like a baby blue, but like a little bit of a shimmer to it. This one is Cute Alert. I feel like this shade is not cute at all. It's more like, oh bam, I'm here. Pay attention. It's like a deep matte brown. Oh, very pretty. Oh, I bought a black because I think I needed like one more and I couldn't really find anything I really love. So I was like, well, you always need a black in a palette. Let's see how intense it is. Yeah, pretty good. That one is called Let's Do It. We've got two more. This one is in Meteorite. That looks really pretty. I'm so happy I got my nails done, you guys. Aren't they gorgeous? I'm like, so proud of them, even though I have nothing to do with how pretty they are. Look, that's really nice. It's like a fiery orangey red. And then the very last one, this looks intense and really pretty. Oh, thank you, Next. Yeah, this one I was really wanting, and it sold out the first time around, which is why I didn't buy the eyeshadows when they first launched. I feel like this needs to be the thumbnail. What? That's really gorgeous. Okay, we're gonna take a thumbnail like this, I think. All right, now that I've taken some pictures for Instagram with my arm all swatched up, yeah, that's all the Colourpop shadows that I got, you guys. I want to put them in this palette just so we can see how it looks. So they're 24 shades. I feel like this is a really weirdly curated palette. Like, nobody's gonna come to me for my palette curating skills. No, not anytime soon. But yeah, these top two rows though, like, look at that warmness. So beautiful. I'm really impressed. So that is it for my haul today. I know it's super long, but it was fun. For me at least. I hope it was fun for you too. I wanted to swatch as much as I could for you as evidenced. And if you're new here, definitely subscribe. I'd love to see you around in the future. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Bye.